Now I am going to discuss about checkbox type. So why we use this checkbox means when we fill some application form while applying for some jobs. So in that we are going to get some details like skills, right? There we are going they are going to ask the skills which we have. So there we are having some list of the skills. In that we are going to select some skills. Suppose we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React and all. So what are the skills we have? We are going to select those skills, right? But they are providing some list of skills. We are going to select those skills by clicking this box which they are providing. So for that we are going to use this checkbox to list some elements, so that the user can select some of the elements which they have, right? See here, I have taken some example like here we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Multiple options may be selected, so that here we have some skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Suppose I only know CSS, so we can select only CSS. In that way we are going to use this checkbox type in input element of file. So I will show this in VS Code example. See here, I am taking input type is equal to checkbox. And in these options we are going to keep the options, that is the list which we have HTML, like that. I am taking CSS and JavaScript. See here we got HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So I only know HTML. I will select only HTML. If I know HTML, JavaScript, I will select the elements which I know. So I can select more than one also.